Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to donate a car. So for car donation, many questions arises. The first point is if your vehicle is no longer in use, so you can donate your car, bus, boats, or motorcycles, airplanes, or any type of vehicle to WAMU, or you can donate either to anyone. So if we make donation car as 2 or 3 business days, it will take 2 or 3 business days to donate your car. So if your car donating, if you donate your car for $500 or less than $500, or do you need a certificate for your car donation? So the if you for state that requires smoke certificate or any type of certificate to need donation, to refund new and existing programs, it will sell your car will selling price, no loss or profits. I don't know what I've written on this register, so I'm just saying random words. What can I say? I don't even recognize any word which I have written. I just read 109 C or car donors, boats or fund. I can read this $500 too. This one, I guess it's written we make donation car as 2 or 3 days, or I can read it's like I have written some kind of Chinese language. It's hard to read, yes, but I'm reading for this video. So there are many broken words written on this page as this so I try to read car donations, boat, if your vehicle is no longer, well, I'm just reading like a crazy person right now. I don't know what to say. The time is going to end up soon, so the video is going to end.